Bal. Table nyo yellow. Dito, wala. Sandali. Kailangan namin... Alright.
Naglaban!
Alright. 4 layups. Easy basket on number 4. Chop, lagay mo ng ano po, panapalang tandaan. Red Bull na next time, Red Bull na next time, bros. Red Bull next time. Yellow. Yellow pala, yellow. Sorry. 26, drive in, black. Number 34. Oy, symbol. Tumatama sa kamay ng number 4. 54, tumira ng jump shot, pasok. $89 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 45. Number 4. Wala. Rebound by number 89 to number 4 uli. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 54. Yan ang trabaho ni GR eh. Number 26. There's a foul on number 27. First team foul on yellow. First personal foul 27. There's a foul. 54. 34 foul, 34. 34 foul, Dexter. Intercepted. Shoot. Number 4. Rebound by number 24. Oh, intercepted by number 4. Pull up jumper. Yes. Number 4, Ben Palinjo. All right, 27. Number 27. Number 32 drives in. Wala, out balance. Number 26. Offensive foul, number 45. Foul number 45. Bal. Lagay mo ng team foul. Pasok, 3 points, number 27. Oy, intercepted. Number 27 to 54. Ganda. Easy basket by number 54. Jump ball. Yellow ball. Yellow ball. Number 54. Turn around. Easy basket by number 54. Maglaya. To number 40. Ayan. 75. Oy! 2 points only. Stepping on the line. 2 points only. Stepping on the line. Tulang. Ganda ng pasa. Wala. Foul on number 45. Jasper foul.
Dalawa lang sinigdal. 2 shots lang.
Pasok! Yung malaki. 54.
Foul si Jasper kanina, dalawang foul na si Jasper.
For 3, no good. Yellow ball. Number 78. To number 34, Dexter, no good. Malayo. Number 4, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number Dexter, 34. 34, drives in. Oh, there's a foul. Number 26. Substitution, ref. Substitution. 2 shots. Yeah. Foul on 26. Mamaya, nabigay na yung bola. Nabigay na yung bola. Tapos mo, Ken. Natapos mo yung pangalawa. Magkano? Second shot. Pasok pa rin. 2 for 2 on 34. $63, tumira, wala. Rebound by 32. 32 to 27. Ganda ng pasa. Kitang-kita. 2 points Cebu. Not Bohol. Cebu yan, Cebu. Intercepted. Oy! Oy! Yan na yun. Uy, traveling without passport on number 80. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Tol, substitution. Tol, labas ka muna, tol. Yeah. Alright, Anchita now in the ball. 58 for 3, no good. There's a technical foul, clapping while shooting. 89. Bawal po yon. Bawal ang clapping. Bal. Wala. Ball possession po tayo. For 3, Dixon, no good. Rebound by 89 to number 63. Tama eh. Post foul, ref. Hindi. 50 ano eh. Si Bohol. Ken, di si Ken, 21. 21. 21. Wala! Rebound by number 26. To number 80, drives in. Oy, there's a block. Yellow ball. Good defense on 54. Good defense on 54. Number 27. Pass to 21. Jump shot. Lakas. Rebound by 27. Symbol. There's a kicking. Kicking violation on red. Stepping on the line, Anchita. Lasso, 26. Drives in. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 50. Yan na naman si GR, nakanganga na. Nakanganga na si GR.
Parang ano to eh, parang makaril. Pagpasok, pagtama, ano na eh. Pagbagsak ng fine, tayo na yan.
Oy! Ay, walang pito, walang pito. Symbol, symbol, symbol. Symbol, symbol. Nalilito lang, nalilito lang. Number 80. To number 26. Symbol. Yun, pumasok pa. End of the first quarter. Nadali pa. '84. Pumihit. Wala. Pasok, number 21. Riding in tandem yan eh. Riding in tandem yan eh. Number 4, pull-up jumper. Yes. Easy basket by number 4. Ben Palingyo.
Ano mga bleeder palingyo?
Palangyo. Number 75, Liaps. Wala. Rebound by 78. 78 to 21. 21 drives in. Wala. Red ball tayo. Number 80. Play on, play on. No foul, play on. Wala. Easy basket. Wag mo nang, pag ma-shoot mo dyan, wag mo nang tapikin. Alright. 80 to number 4. Oy, huling-huli. Number 21 na naman. Oy, easy. Huling-huli. On the face. Lasso. Oy! Yellow ball.
Pinilit niya eh. Sap, sap! Wala.
Alright, substitution ref. Pasok. Alright, play on. Oh, good. Number 27. 34. Red ball. Yellow ball. 15 seconds to shoot. $27. 278. Jump shot, no good. 84. Yellow ball. Last touch red. Number 27. 54. There's a foul. Traveling before the foul daw eh. Alright, there's a traveling before the foul. Traveling muna. Bago nangyari yun. Ang pito niya.
Travel muna bago foul. Pinaliwanag naman ang score. Hindi pinaliwanag.
Na.
Nice!
Number 27. Oy, there's a foul. Number 4. Substitution ref. Substitution. Pasok. All right, that's it. $54 basket. Second shot. Pasok pa rin ang pangalawa. Number 4. Number 4 for 3. Yes. 3 points, number 4. Number 32 pull-up jumper. Yes. $32. Number 4 again to number 80. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by 34. Number 34 now, Dixta. Father and son, good pass. Ang galing. Gumagaling yung tatay. Alright. Number 4 for 3 again. Malakas. Oy! Substitution. Wag mo na substitution, ref. Substitution. Alright, pasok. Oy, ganda. Oy, sayang. There's a foul.
Kanino ba to? Kaya akin?
Hindi. 8-9.
Kapatid ni Ben.
8-9. Sana nabigay na. Diyan muna kayo, diyan muna kayo. Pasok. Substitution ref. Alright, play on. For three, in and out. Number 30. Number 30. Pass to 32. Oy, ganda. "27 goes in." Okay. Isip lang. Wait lang. Substitution ref. Offensive foul. Sinong foul to? Sinong foul? Sinong foul? Alright, substitution. Substitution. Third personal foul. Sinong third personal foul? Ben. Number 4. Third personal foul, number 4. Play on, play on. Number 80. There's a foul. Number 32. 2 shots. Pasok ang una. Pasok din ang pangalawa. Oy, sayang. 3 for 3, no good. Rebound by King. Oh, there's a foul. Violation muna. Violation muna. Violation muna bago foul. Number 45 to number 80 to number 4. Jump shot, yes. Humahabol na. Wala. Rebound by 32. Ball again. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 4. Oh. There's a foul. There's a foul. Number 30. Two shots. Pasok ang una. Pasok din ang pangalawa. 5 na lang. Humahabol. Humahabol na po. Foul. There's a foul on 80. Tumutunog, tumutunog. Alright, back to the ball game. Red ball po tayo, red ball. 75 to number 63. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 21. 21 drives in, layup, there's a foul. Oops, again, there's a foul. Basket foul. Number 10 on red. Number 10.
Kasi skin kumakabig yung magano'n. Kaya skin pag tumatakbo kumakabig yung kamay.
Pasok ang bonus shot. Alright. Tol, iba yung kanina. Ha? Yung delaying the game. Red ball. Wala. Rebound by 78. 78 to 54. Huli. Nice defense. Okay. Basket. Timeout, Red.
Dalawa nga, dapat 37 eh. Mamaya mo score pa isa eh. Dalawa sunod eh. 37 yan,
37 yan. Pasok, 45. 27-37 ang score. Sayang. Number 4. Pleon. Kabila. He's stepping on the line. Number 21 for rebound. 54. Layups nugget. Number 80 now. Layups short. Rebound by 21. There's a foul. 89 foul. Third personal foul, 89. 21. Number 10. 45. Oy! Tinira, wala. Rebound by 54. Sandali, diyan na. Pa. There's a foul. Wait, sandali tol. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Alright, substitution. Sub. Pasok. Third personal foul, Jasper. Kitang-kita sa CCTV. Kitang-kita sa camera. Alright, play on. Alright. Ayun. Oy, there's a foul. House foul, rep. 89.
Apat na yan.
Fourth personal foul, 89. Apat na. Warning. Warning for graduation. Substitution. Wala ang una. Time out.
Hindi kayo pwede pit. Kasi kayo nagsishoot eh. Mamaya.
Number 10 for 3. No good.
Go ahead, time out.
Time out, yellow. Time out, yellow. All right, back to the ball game. Yellow ball. All right. $54. Oy, huling-huli ka. Red ball. Tumatama po sa paa. Number 80 goes in. Wala. Rebound by 54.
Uy! Sumobra.
Three points, number 4, Bin. There's a foul. There's a foul on number 75. 2 shots.
Ilang foul na yung 25? First pa lang yan tayo.
Pasok ang una. Rebound by number 84. Wala ang pangalawa. Ang gusto mo, Mike?
Gamot na, anong gamot?
Yan, mga ganyan. Ice pack. 32. Traveling violation on 32. Number 80. Number 80. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by 34 to 54. Pasok.
Yan eh. Matamaan ka kaya distance.
Backing violation. Pag hindi nakita, Pit, hindi nakita. Time out, Red. Time out, Red. We are on the last quarter now. All right. Tasarti, number 30. To number 78. To the 54. Oy, ganda sana. Number 10. Number 10 to number 4. To number 4 to 45. Jump shot. Short. Rebound by 54. 54 nagmamadali. Ayun o. Ganda. 54, 2 points. Rebound by number 34, Dexter. Dexter. Nasapid. Easy layup by number 80. Intercepted by number 4. Play on. Walang pito. 45 goes in to 10. Pasok. Oy! Nagkwentuhan. Nagkwentuhan po. Mamaya tol, mamaya. Dead ball, dead ball. Nag-uusap po. Play on, play on. Counted yun, counted.
Uy, counted yung kanina ha.
Substitution rep. Substitution. 30, Peter Pau. Katol. Dala kang tuba ah. Murag tuba ba? Murag tuba ba? Or gasolina ka, magsunog ka dito. Alright. Number 80. For 3. No good. Nandyan na naman si JR. Hey! Sayang. Number 4 for 3. No good. Rebound by 54. Hey! Ganda na naman siya oh. There's a foul. Oh, traveling violation. Traveling violation. Travel. There's a travel. Tol, there's a travel. Travel without passport. Sunod tol, dala mo passport para maka-travel ka. Number 80 for 3 again. Wala pa rin. So 27 now. Maalat ang 27. 54. Easy basket for number 54. Ganda. Reverse layup by 80. Timeout red. Timeout red. Timeout red. Red ball tayo. Red ball. Yellow on defense. All right, time's in. All right. Uy. Line ball. There is a line violation. Number 27. For 3, no good. Number 10 now bring down the ball. To number 4, long shot. Yes. Kunti na lang. Easy basket for Dexter, 34. 51-40 ang score, 51-40. Number 80. Number 80 for 3. Shot! Oy, there's a block. There's a block. Yellow ball. Two and two. Good defense. Number 27. Oy! Binigay lang. Number 80 drives in. Pasa to number 4. Ganda. Basket. Walang sab yun.
Walang dead ball.
Walang dead ball. O yun. Substitution rep.
Parang ayaw na ipapasa yung bola.
Alright, yeah. Alright, Pritro. Alright. Substitution rep. Pasok na ba? Pumasok na? All good. Last 2 minutes. Uy.
Dalawang kamay na eh.
For 3 shot. Lasso for 3. No good. Another 3. No good. Rebound by Nexa. Muntik na. Oy, intercepted again. Pasok, 21. Stop.
Dapat talaga din ka ng parati, Bal.
Para masanay ka, Bal. One more game. Kasi natitins ka eh. 6 seconds, 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, play on. Kinley up, nugget. Rebound by 32. Ayun, tumira nga. Sabi mo, tira eh. Tumira tuloy. Yun. 14 seconds, boys.
Nawala ang sumpa.
Tira, Ken. Wala. Alright, end of the ball game. Diyan ka ba na, Bal? Isang game pa para masanay ka. Alright, next game.